Tired of the same old coleslaw? This version has a secret ingredient that makes it super crunchy and totally addictive. Hi, I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper and CakeMixRecipes.com. I share tried and true recipes that anyone can make. I believe if you can read, you can cook. Today, I'm showing you how to make ramen noodle coleslaw. It's a quick, crunchy, flavor-packed side dish that's always a hit at cookouts and potlucks. To make it easier for you, I included a link to the full printable recipe in the video description below, so make sure you grab it. Okay, so the first step in our ramen noodle coleslaw is to get our ramen noodles going. So, I have 3 packs of ramen noodles. It doesn't matter the flavor because we're not using the seasoning pack. We just want the noodles. And I'm putting them in this zipper bag because we need to pulverize them a bit. So I'm gonna close it most of the way, but not all of the way. And then I have my handy meat mallet and I'm just gonna go to town breaking these up. Okay, we're gonna set those aside. I'm gonna bring in my skillet. So to our skillet, I'm going to add a stick of butter. I'm going to add in our crushed ramen noodles. And we just wanna get them nice and toasty. Okay, so to this, I'm going to add some slivered almonds. So I have about 4 ounces or so. It's a smaller package. And you can buy them already slivered like that. And we're just gonna give these a spin around the pan just till they toast up a little bit. Okay, so our ramen are done cooking. I have a package of bagged coleslaw. We're going easy with this one. Of course you can shred it yourself. But why, when you can just buy it already bagged? Let's make it as easy as possible here. So I have that package of bagged coleslaw. I'm gonna add some chopped green onions. I have the greens and the whites. And then to this, we're gonna add our ramen almond mixture. And right in that toasty, buttery. And I'm gonna give everything a little bit of a toss here. Okay, this is looking good. Next, we're gonna work on the dressing. For our dressing, this is super, super simple. I have some sugar. We're gonna add some sweetness. Then I'm gonna add some vegetable oil. Some apple cider vinegar. That's gonna be our tang. And then a little bit of soy sauce. Pull it all together, and I'm just gonna get that whisked. I'm gonna bring our slaw back in, and I like to drizzle the dressing over. You may not need all of it. You don't wanna have an overdressed coleslaw. So I'm gonna do part of it. I'm gonna toss, I'm gonna taste, I'm gonna test it, and then I'll add as I go, because you can always add more, but you can't take it out. That is it. We need to refrigerate this for a bit to let it all get cold and come together, and then we are going in for a taste. This slaw is the perfect blend of crunchy, tangy, and a little sweet. Plus, you can make ahead and it actually gets better as it sits. I'm telling you, this stuff flies off the table every time I bring it somewhere. I can't wait. I am going in. But I already knew it was good. Let me take another bite. You've got the buttery, crispy noodles, got a little bit of almond, the sweetness. This ramen noodle coleslaw is definitely a keeper. It's easy, flavorful, and the perfect complement to any grilled meal. Make sure you share this video with someone who loves good food, and don't forget, grab that full printable recipe in the video description. Thanks for cooking with me today. If you love this, you've got to check out my old-fashioned macaroni salad next. It's another easy make-ahead side that's always a crowd favorite. Check it out here, and I will see you over there.